The purple and yellow taking on the white and the blue. Set number 1 is about to begin. So it's Som and Nick. And this right here, Eliza Valdez and the Transformers today. Pakalawang pagkakataon para kay Eliza Valdez. Nakalusot sa depensa. Puntos for the Phenom. Eliza Open Conference. Starting this rally. Here comes Som. And Som is able to score para sa Transformers.
Si Som really takes a lot of
University. Starting off this rally. Gohing. Binigay dito kay Maki.
kanto-kanto. At dinala dun sa Zone 5.
Shakey's B-League season. And she feels that her team has a great opportunity to win another title dito sa season 13. Myla Pablo can be called that as well. With Hyson, sends that one across.
Off the block. 13-16.
Husay talagang maglaro. Itong ating
Dadang sends it back to the BOC side. Here's Valdez. Eliza Valdez finally ends the Pocari run.
may isang pamatay na palo na kanina yung Customs na
The Filipino channel, and watching us right now is the Phenom Kiefer Ravenna.
It's the line.
nasa USA Kids, diba?
At nakatutok ngayon si Gohing receives that one. Tolenada back set para kay Gumabaw. Nobody home. Puntos na naman para sa Pocari Sweat. Lady Warriors invading this tandem of Bree Mackey and Andrea Katsitz from Southern. Pao Soriano with a quick attack. That's her specialty.
Right. A certified quicker. Best way to elude.
He scores an ace.
Maagang gumigising para mag-ensayo. But first, checking out the exciting action dito sa Shakey's B-League Season 13 Reinforced Conference.
Sila pinupuntahan.
Sila ang pinupuntahan.
Ngayon, ikaw ang didepensa. Ikaw ang sasakripisyo. Bakit? Kasi gusto mo manalo. Look at the sacrifice by Elaine Casilag.
Running attack for Andrea Katsitz.
Perfect pass coming from Iris Tolenada.
Quality itong si Michelle Gumabaw as they try to pick up another victory. Look at Melissa Gohing really sacrificing her body.
18.
In their last win, Mel Gohing got hurt. I thought may bruised rib na nangyari itong si
Gohing to Gumabaw.
Look at the reaction of Mel Gohing. Her thumbprint was all over that last point. Akala ko jet eh. Nanggaling sa kaliwa, hinabol yung bola. And that, alas dito ng Pocari.
Tolenada tossing it up to Bree Mackey.
Excellent playmaking coming from Tolenada. Solid floor defense and
Fen Emnas.
serve specialist.
At that time, too much juice on that serve for the victims of Lawin PH. Tuloy pa rin ang rally. Iris Tolenada, kanino siya pupunta? Bree Mackey, sarado ang pintuan. Great anticipation there by Pao Soriano.
Myla Pablo not moving anymore para
Win kontra sa University of Santo Tomas. Ito naman Pocari Sweat, hoping for a third straight victory.
BOC up by 1.
Panay ang pagbabiyahe to different parts of the globe. Nakasama ko sila sa...
tayo.
Game ako dyan. Nakasama ko sila sa Doha, Qatar.
sir, tatangkad pa to eh.
Sa ngayon, 5'7". Itong si Nick. Yes. Sends it to the other side. Gohing was ready. Mackey was there.
Nice placement. And Michelle Gumabaw over the head of Pao Soriano. Kutay Song. I believe hitting
Since October at sumama pa si Mackey at si Katsitz sa kanilang trip to Hong Kong.
Right. At hindi ako nagkakamali. Ating twirl queen na tinatawag.
Tolenada tossing it up to Myla Pablo. Iniwasan ang depensa.
Para makikita mo itong si Melissa Gohing. Parang
to win another straight set victory. Valdez with the save. Soriano binalik dito sa Pocari Sweat. Pablo for the win. And Myla Pablo completes the victory para sa Pocari Sweat Lady Warriors, ang pangatlong sunod na panalo ng koponan ni Melissa Gohing at Michelle
Congratulations to
Kumabaw,
Pocari
our
Sweat for
Shakey's
taking this
Shake and
match
Play
to
up to
extra
set the
sets.
finals MVP
25
ng Open Conference.
25.
Myla Pablo soaring and scoring for the win. Straight win para sa Pocari Sweat. Also, the third straight victory in straight sets para sa koponan ni Coach Romel Abella, 25-22, 25.